All right, now, so I want to wrap up this review so we can get to the actual slope fields. So here's 5, 6, and 7, and I'm not going to do them because these all require integration by parts, which from your homework you guys are pretty good at. So I think everybody can look at this and go, oh, this is going to be parts, right? This is going to be parts, and I'm going to use u equals x squared, du equals 2x dx, dv equals sine x, dx, and v equals negative cosine x. All right, and because I'm only going to get down, I'm going to end up with my vdu is going to have 2x negative cosine x. That means I'm going to have to do parts again. So I'm going to have to do parts twice, actually, on this one. And I can tell that because the polynomial part that's multiplied out here is to the second degree. So it's going to take me 2 iterations of differentiation to get rid of that x squared. All right, that's this one. This one's also parts. I don't see any inside functions, so none of them are substitutions. So they're all just parts. This one's parts, but since the part that I'm multiplying by here is linear, that means it's only going to be one step. So this is going to be one step parts. This one's like a 2-step parts. All right, so I'm going to use u equals 2x, du equals 2 dx, dv equals e to the x, v equals e to the x. Again, you guys are pretty good at that. So this one it's not obvious what it is, but when you are doing the integral of something that you have a formula for the derivative of, you're going to use parts. All right, but this is the parts where, since I don't have whatever it is, that I'm supposed to do the integral of, obviously, then that means that the dv is just going to be dx. So dv is going to be dx, and that means v equals x, and the du is going to be this inverse sine x. And that'll allow me to just do the derivative of that inverse sine, which I don't have memorized. But fortunately, by the way, I put it right on the top of the, mixed techniques review. It's right there. All right. It's also in here. Anyway, that derivative is, whoops, this is supposed to be u right there, not du. And then so du equals, for inverse sine, it's 1 over square root 1 minus x squared dx. And I'm confident you can do those. So basically that is all that I want to do with the review of mixed techniques. This is your assignment, mixed techniques part 2. You do not have to turn in mixed techniques 1, just mixed techniques 2. 7 problems, but they're kind of involved. All right, now let's get to what I really wanted to teach you today, which is slope fields.